Hi everyone, today we're going to make a bulldog craft. So you will need these supplies to make a cute little bulldog. You'll need a toilet paper tube, some crayons, pencil, a Sharpie. So let's get started. Number 1, you are going to bend in the side, the outside of the top toward the middle, and then you're going to turn around and do that to the other side as well until they dip down in the middle and the two sides point up. Now, the second step is we're making a bulldog, so we want those points to bend downward, just like a bulldog's ears bend downward. Might take a little doing, but keep persevering, and there we go. Now his ears look the way I like it. Make sure you get it all shaped the way you like before we move on to the next step. Now, I think it's a good idea to practice your face before you go ahead and draw it onto the tube. That way you know what you want the face to look like. So I practiced several different styles of eyes, different styles of snouts and noses and mouths before I decided which way I wanted that bulldog to look. So if you practice first, then you'll feel better about what you're going to be doing, and it'll be easier because that tube surface is a little bit tricky to draw on. Okay, now I'm looking to see which side is smoother. This is the smoother side, so I'm starting here. I like to start the bulldog with that snout, and I'm just going to use a basic oval shape. After I have that oval done, I'm going to add another oval for the nose at the top of the snout. You could use any shapes. There is no wrong way to do this. Sometimes bulldogs have that overbite and their teeth look like they're showing, so I just drew some teeth showing. Now I'm doing some eyes. The key here is have fun, make it your own. Now I'm getting that collar ready. In order to make it look like it's going through the collar, I just make a letter C and then put a dot at the top. It looks like it's going through a hole that way. Now that I have everything done in pencil, now I'm going to use the marker and outline things. If I want any of these parts colored in black, the marker will give a nice dark color. The black also just makes it so much easier to see when you're using a tan toilet paper tube. It's a little hard to see some of the details unless you use a marker or some darker crayon to make those details really show up. Okay, and now I'm ready to color. Notice that under the ears I did put a little shape and color to make the bottom side of the ear. Now you could do this with any animal. You could find a creative idea on the internet, or you could just get creative on your own. Look at all these wonderful ideas down at the bottom. They even added things on. Have fun, be creative.